Hello and welcome. This today is a little bit of a different video. I will try to repair something. Today I met a friend that had a new phone. I asked him, oh, hey, new phone, what happened to the old one? And he said it stopped charging. I said, did you clean the USB port? And he said, yeah, I did, but I think the port is broken. I told him that I am sure that it will be just gunk in the USB port. But he said he cleaned it. I told him, maybe you weren't able to look into it. I cleaned it. What should I do with the phone if it's working? And he said, you can keep it. Very convenient, for the phone of my son died. I always wanted to make a video about it, but I never had a camera that was able to shine light into the port. But now I got this very great USB microscope. The first thing, if you have a phone that is not really charging anymore, please don't put in the cable and then try to put it onto something and then put on weight here. This way you will definitely break the USB port, and then it will be like a self-fulfilling prophecy. You thought the port was broken and then you will break it. Don't do it. Now, I was not able to install this camera on my desktop machine. I'll have to plug it into my laptop and then use the webcam to film the screen of my laptop, and this will be fed into my desktop machine. So here, this is my trusted cutting mat, which I've used for quite some time now. And once I look through the microscope, it's bizarre, like how broken this seems to be. This has nothing to do with the telephone. Here, I will try to have it in view here. Now here's the USB-C port. Okay, it doesn't look this bad now, but let me focus in. Do you see all the stuff in there? I don't know what it is, for it seems to be very, very small fibers. But yeah, this will definitely be a problem when you try to charge with USB. The first sign that this might be the case, that you have just some dirt in there. Here, now it is pushed in. Here, can you see it? It's not flush with the phone. Let me just show you how it should be. This is the way a cable should go in. How can the situation be fixed? Here, there's some materials that I will use, and this is for a later thing in the video. Here, these are like the things which you get in coffee shops to stir up your coffee. They are made from a hardwood. Right now it's way too thick. Give it a form like this, and then I try to reduce the thickness a bit. Now I'm able to get in there on both sides. Why I use wood is that I don't want to scrape off some of the contacts. I use whatever kind of cleaning agent. I will put some into a container, and now it is easier for the wood to soak it up. And now I will dab it around on the inside there. The main goal here is to really just soften all the stuff that is in there. For this phone, there's been a history of like USB-C abuse, and the gunk in there will be very compressed. There's like a wet sheen on all the stuff. and I will try to pull it out now. Okay, I would have expected a lot more than this. It seems to be really, really compressed. Okay, I think I will put in more fluid here. It's really hard. Okay, this wood is done. I will carve myself a new one. Ah, oh, 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 it's coming out. Yeah, it works. It works. It just needed some time to soften up. Let's continue. Okay, yeah. So now I will try to. Okay, it seems like the most of it is out. Ooh, we can see the bottom of the pit. Let me get a focus to the. Comparatively speaking, this looks brand new now. Now I'm trying to rub the contacts a bit, for maybe they have corroded or have just some dirt on them. Okay, now I will let it sit for a while that the moisture can evaporate. One thing that I would like to ask the viewership, what is this stuff? Look, this is a hair on the top of my hand. And now look at this. It's tiny in comparison. What is it? Maybe someone can help me out here. So to be able to look into the USB port might be some that's important. Not everyone has a camera like this. Let me show you how I think you might be able to look into your port. And now I will try to position the knife in a way that this beam is going into the USB port. And it works really good. Here you can just play around a bit. Here it is very, very visible that this one is clean now. So let's look if it's actually working now. Yeah, I will let it charge for a while. Okay, the night has passed and the phone should have charged up by now. And yeah, that's beautiful. It worked out. It worked out perfectly. Now I just have to factory reset it and pack it up as a present, and then I have a phone for my son. Hey, I think you should spread this video, for I'm sure everyone knows someone that has a problem like this. At least when you have children, then you will know someone that has a problem like this. At least if they're a bit on the messy side. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Check back in. Have a good day.